Good evening, students. This is Mr. Rudy coming at you with just a real brief tutorial on how to use your weekly student message planner. Ms. Strite, Ms. Kussler, and myself, we're really excited to work with you guys here with our e-learning platform, and you'll receive this document. It's going to be called, again, Student Message Planner. It'll have the date. Just as a quick heads up, there's no learning this Friday, April 10th. Teachers, students, take the day off, relax, rest. We have sort of an introductory message here, as you can see on the screen, kind of scrolling through. The class code for our new non-AP English 11 classroom is AZ2OR42. Make sure that you're spreading the word to your friends and letting everybody know. This document really works as your to-do list. And as you sort of go through it here, you can see some really important information that we have on there about our Google Meet times and places. You can click right on that link on Thursday at either noon for the Mr. Rudy Google Meetup or at 1 o'clock for the Ms. Strite Google Meetup. Also, and this is really important, make sure that you are checking out this sort of final assessment for One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. You could have read the first 90 pages and then page 110 to 140 and then a little bit of the ending, and you can still do this assessment. You're going to pick a character from the novel and make sure that you sort of go through those instructions. A couple optional YouTube clips there that you can check out. Another little bit longer of a presentation that we've created on the Unit 5, Heroes in Freedom, Enduring Understandings and Targets. And then probably the most important one, we just want to make sure you guys are doing all right. Make sure that you're checking in with Ms. Kussler, Ms. Strite, and myself just to let us know how you're doing. And we're excited to wrap up the school year here with Unit 5, Heroes in Freedom, and Unit 6, Education. Have a great day. Make sure that you're keeping an eye out for this document every week, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks. Stay safe, guys.